Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll first confirm prerequisites. AirPods paired and added to Control Center. Once paired, place the AirPods in your ears so audio routes correctly. Next, open Control Center by swiping down or up on older models and tap the ear icon labeled Hearing. Make sure the device shows your AirPods. This starts the Live Listen toggle flow. Do this now so the iPhone can use its mic to send sound to the AirPods. It's the core connection that enables real-time amplification. Once Live Listen is enabled, you'll fine-tune how it hears. Move the iPhone microphone closer to the speaker or area you want amplified and angle it toward that sound. Distance changes clarity quickly. Then adjust the iPhone or AirPods volume so speech isn't distorted. If you have AirPods Pro, switch off active noise cancellation or enable transparency for more natural background cues. Make sure settings match the environment. These steps reduce echo and improve intelligibility, so you actually hear words instead of muddled noise. To finish, turn Live Listen off in Control Center or simply remove your AirPods and the stream stops automatically. If audio sounds muffled, clean the AirPods mics and ear tips and check batteries. Low charge often degrades performance. If Live Listen won't connect, repair the AirPods, restart the iPhone, and confirm hearing control is enabled. Sometimes permissions or a simple reboot restore the mic route. If problems persist, try testing with another iPhone to isolate whether the issue is the AirPods or the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.